we all wear clothes, right? If not, no judgment, but most of us do. There are female stores and there are male stores, but why should you be constricted to just those stores? Why should you be constricted to just those boxes? In short, no one has to be constricted to those boxes because clothing has no gender. So, to begin with, we have to define gender and sex. Both are different. Gender, defined by the World Health Organization, is gender refers to the socially constructed characteristics of a woman and man, such as norms, roles, and relationships between the groups of men and women. It varies from society to society and can be changed. This is who you identify as. It has nothing to do with your anatomy. It is who the person identifies as. Man or woman, gender non-binary, age, gender, doesn't matter. It's who you identify as. And sex is what you were assigned at birth. The X chromosomes and the Y chromosomes growing different parts of the anatomy. It is what the doctor assigns to you at birth, but they are different. They are totally different. And this is just showing how genders are different. There's a whole spectrum. There are genders that aren't even listed in this Venn diagram, and it is amazing. There's male and female, of course, and there's transgender male, and then there's transgender female, agender, people who don't even identify as male or female, not even on spectrum. Then gender fluid is somewhere in the middle. But with that, there comes social constructs. These are stereotypes that have been brought on to people. So men can't be emotional. Men have to be the breadwinners. Men have to be fishing and good at sports and all that stuff. And then women are generally more emotional, and they are the babies. They're the stay-at-home moms, and they do all the grocery shopping and stuff like that. This can be very damaging because it puts in their head that they have to be a certain way, and they really don't. I really like this quote by Marc Jacobs. A twin set always belong to a different gender. A strand of pearls belong to a different gender. And you see with young kids today, it's like, no, it doesn't. With the new generations coming in, specifically Gen Z, it is very much more open-minded than anything else. So, gender, society, fashion, oh my. Back in the day, it was 1950s, of course. This is outdated, but women would wear dresses. They'd be very proper, very well presented, and then men would wear suits and pants generally. But nowadays, men can wear dresses, men can wear skirts, women can wear tweed down jackets and suits and pants. And that's just the society that we live in today, and it really shows the break in gender norms that we have been taught in school. So why does it matter what clothes we wear? Well, it matters because it is what you identify as. All aside, clothing doesn't have gender. It is a piece of cloth. It is a color. It is a pattern. It doesn't show gender at all. Sure, there's more feminine looking patterns, but that's because we were taught that flowers were more feminine. So, all in all, gender doesn't have anything to do with fashion. It has to do with what you identify as, and you express yourself through what you wear. So these are people that I found that are breaking the ceiling. This is Rain Dove as a gender-neutral model. And then you have Prince, of course, the infamous singer who has been breaking gender norms since the 80s. And you got Harry Styles, who's an actor. And in conclusion, whether you're a masculine presenting and wanting to wear a skirt, whether you're feminine presenting and you want to wear a suit, or if you're somewhere in between and you want to wear a little bit of both, it doesn't matter because your clothing doesn't define your gender, it defines who you are. And as always, treat people with kindness. Thank you.